Hello guys and welcome back to Angie's Table, and today we're going to be making two types of creamy summery dips. And I also saw people putting Babybel cheese on a skewer and frying it, but I really don't like frying because it's just a messy process. So we're going to stick them into air fryer and then enjoy it together and see which dip matches better with the Babybel cheese on a stick. So let's go and check out the ingredients. So let's go on to making the feta cheese dip. I had a lot of feta cheese left over and I was like, I'm gonna make a dip out of this because I know, with the pasta chips, this feta dip would probably taste freaking amazing, and same with the avocado one that we're gonna be making today. If you guys have the time, try making these dips and also the pasta chip video that we have out up above. So let's go and start with the feta cheese dip, and we're gonna add 3/4 cup of feta cheese into our bowl. Some mayo, Greek yogurt, and as you guys know, the red pepper flakes, any spice on this channel is optional, so don't feel like you guys have to add it. And let's mix. Oh my god, that is so good. It's so good. I personally like randomly having chunks of feta cheese in there. It's like a surprise. But if you guys don't like it, you could use a food processor to pulse it and really break it up and make it creamy. I personally like it with chunks, so I'm gonna leave it. If you guys don't have a food processor, you can just like really mash it up well with a spoon or a beater or something.
A beater?
Egg beater. Now let's put a plastic wrap on this and go chill it and work on our creamy avocado dip. Let's see if it's ripe. Ooh. And I'm gonna use a masher to mash the avocados up. Add in our Greek yogurt. Wow, beautiful. And we're gonna add lime juice to this. And mix.
And it matches your skirt.
Oh, does it? Yeah, I purposely matched myself. We're gonna go stick this in the fridge and work on our Babybel skewer. So we need our Babybel cheese, breadcrumbs, and our flour. That was the most inefficient. Egg. We're going to unravel our Babybel cheese. Make sure you guys take out this red casing on Babybel. It is not edible, although I don't think you'll die from eating it because we have proof of that. The outside red part is not cheese. And we have a really funny story. So my dad didn't know this.
My mom was like, oh, there's cheese in the fridge, make sure to eat it, it's good for your...
You know, whatever. And then he ate it and he was saying stomach was like being a little funky that day, and we were talking about it days after, and he's been eating it, including the red wax that's over the cheese. We were dying laughing because he said it when our entire family was together, like with my aunts and uncles and cousin, and we were like, are you serious? You ate the red thing? Did you not think it was weird texture and taste? And he was like, no, I just ate it.
He said the red part kept getting stuck in his teeth, and he was wondering why cheese was getting stuck in his teeth.
Yeah. Always when we're frying, you have to remember dry, wet, dry. So first the flour, then the egg, and lastly the breadcrumbs. And now let's work on our Babybel skewers. We're gonna make 2 skewers, one for me, one for Grace, and so put 3 Babybel cheese through each skewer.
They look like macarons
They look cute.
on a stick. Yeah, they're kind of cute.
All right. They look so cute. Okay, Babybel stand. Just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil. So with these, I'm gonna stick it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour so that the cheese hardens, doesn't lose its form when it's getting heated up in the air fryer. And then we'll stick it in the air fryer for about 5 to 7 minutes depending on your air fryer, but you do need to keep a close eye so that all the cheese isn't oozed out by the time you go and get it. So do that at about 350 degrees. So it is time for and this is a new thing that we started that is gonna be a part of Andrew's table from now on. Today's word is 맛있어. 맛 means taste, and you can say 맛있어 or 맛있다, meaning it's tasty. And a key to Korean is when you're talking to an adult, please add yo at the end. So in this case, you can say 맛있어요. So you go to Korea or you go over someone's house and they make you Korean food, or you walk into a restaurant and you're like,
어, 맛있어요.
they're gonna love you. And so when you're with your friends, you can say,
어, 맛있다. 어, 맛있어.
but when you're talking to an adult, you'll say 맛있어요, and you will be loved, and they will cook you everything and make you really fat.
That was one of Kevin's first
Yeah.
things too, was that so he can tell my parents.
Yeah, and then my mom overfed him. Word of the day, 맛있어. So now we're gonna eat. I have some grapefruit juice here. Oh, it's so sour. Okay, I'm excited to try this. I'm just gonna go ahead and just try it plain without any of the sauces. So. Mmm, so good. Gonna dip it in our feta cheese dip. Oh my god. This is so good. Wow. This is gonna be my scooper. Mmm. This tastes more healthy. I think because it's more, this has mayo in it, it's creamy and things, but this just tastes like a very healthy alternative to dip. Mmm. Please try it. Mmm.
That was really good.
Right? It tastes healthy. It tastes like it looks like green.
Oh, I love these fried Babybel cheese though.
It's a little salty for me.
Or they can use just mozzarella sticks.
Yeah, but this looks cooler.
Yeah, they're really cute. It's good. You done?
I feel like no. Which dip do you like best?
I like the avocado one.
Really? One.
I just like the taste of it. Like the avocado taste.
I like the feta cheese. I feel like this in a salad would be good too. You know, you go to some salad places and they add like a dollop of like hummus or something. I think that'd be really good.
Yeah.
It's healthy.
I like it better than hummus. But yeah, these are really good.
I wish I had the pasta chips because I think it would have tasted so good. But this was really good too. So I hope you guys try out my summer dips and let us know in the comments below if you guys tried it out and liked it. Or even if you didn't like it. I mean, that's fine. Let us know. And we'll see you guys on our next video.